about to go ride Journey to the Center of the Earth. We're super excited. It's a brand new ride for us, so come on, let's see what it's like.
I feel like we're going to the center of the earth. Like test drive. Just got off of Journey to the Center of the Earth. Actually, best ride so far today. I know it's been here for a couple of years, but it's a little bit like test track, but all in the dark. Really good animatronics. Really good. Ending of the ride, you're going outside. You kind of feel like you're flying. Like super dark, and then you see the lightness at the end.
And there's a big drop, which was really sick.
You really do feel like you're flying, but definitely more intense, I would say, than test track. And definitely a cooler experience, just going down in the elevator to the basement, and then going on a really cool high-speed chase.